In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the right front door window regulator for Ford F-150 2014. This is the right front door window regulator assembly. The motor. The following are the tools required for replacing the right front door window regulator. Tape. Small flathead screwdriver. Small 5.5mm shallow socket. Small 6mm deep socket. Small 8mm deep socket. Small 10mm deep socket. Small short extension bar. Small electric impact wrench. Now let's start replacing the window regulator. Use the small flathead screwdriver. Remove the screw cover on the interior door handle. Using the same tool, remove the screw cover on the inner door pull. Use the small 6mm deep socket. With the small electric impact wrench, remove the mounting screw at the bottom of the door panel. Use the small 8mm deep socket and the small short extension bar. With the small electric ratchet, remove the mounting screw at the inner door pull. Remove the screw. Continue using the same tool. Remove the mounting screw at the inner door handle. Remove the screw. Lift the door panel upward. Use the small flathead screwdriver to assist. Remove the inner door pull cable. Unplug the window switch connector. Remove the door panel. Use the small 8mm deep socket. With the small electric impact wrench, remove the retaining screws for the bracket. Remove the bracket and screws. Use the small 5.5mm shallow socket. With the small electric impact wrench, remove the retaining screws for the stereo. Take out the screws. Remove the stereo. Unplug the connector. Remove the sound deadening pad. Turn the vehicle power on. Roll the glass up to the top. After rolling the glass up, we can see one mounting screw through this hole. Now we'll loosen those two retaining screws. Use tape to secure the glass. Use the small 10mm deep socket and small short extension bar. With the small electric impact wrench, loosen the two glass retaining screws. After loosening the screws, lower the regulator, separate the glass from the regulator, unplug the motor connector. Use the small 10mm deep socket. With the small electric impact wrench, remove the retaining screws for the window regulator. Just crack them loose slightly. This is the comparison of old versus new right front window regulator. The reason we're replacing the window regulator is because the old regulator's cables are worn out, which causes noise when the window goes up and down. Before installing the new regulator, we need to transfer the screws from the old to the new one. Use the small 10mm deep socket. With the small electric impact wrench, remove and install them. remove the protective cap. Now let's start installing the new window regulator. Line it up with the mounting holes, feed the screws through. Pay attention to the lower screw hole. Install the screws. Use the small 10mm deep socket. With the small electric impact wrench, tighten the window regulator retaining screws. Now let's plug in the motor connector. Lift the glass mounting brackets to the installation holes. Before installing the glass, we need to loosen the screws on the mounting brackets. After lifting the brackets, make sure not reach to the top. Just lift them to this. Access holes for replacing are enough. Use the small 10mm deep socket and small short extension bar. With the small electric impact wrench, loosen the screws on the glass mounting brackets. After loosening the screws, spread the clamp ears apart, then move the clamps to the highest position. Then use hands to feel if they're seated correctly. If not, repeat it again. If so, move to the next step. After confirming they're seated correctly, use the small 10mm deep socket and small short extension bar. With the small electric impact wrench, tighten the screws on the glass mounting brackets. Remove the tape. Now let's test the glass operation. Make sure the glass goes smoothly with no interference, binding, or noise. Reinstall the sound deadening pad. Plug the speaker connector back in. Install the stereo. Line it up with the mounting holes and install the retaining screws. Use the small 5.5mm shallow socket. With the small electric impact wrench, tighten the stereo retaining screws. Install the bracket with retaining screws. Use the small 8mm deep socket. With the small electric impact wrench, tighten the bracket retaining screws. Plug the window switch connector back in. Reinstall the inner door pull cable. Align with the door panel clips with the holes in the door. Install from the top down. Align with the holes and press the door panel down. Install the retaining screw at the inner door handle. Install the retaining screw at the inner door pull. Install the retaining screw at the bottom of the door panel. Use the small 8mm deep socket and small short extension bar. With the small electric impact wrench, tighten the retaining screw at the inner door handle. Use the same tool. Tighten the retaining screw at the inner door pull. Use the small 6mm deep socket. With the small electric impact wrench, tighten the retaining screw at the bottom of the door panel. Install the screw cover at the inner door pull. Install the screw cover at the inner door handle. Then complete the one-touch window reset. First, move the glass to the top. Hold down the passenger window button on the driver's switch. Hold it for about 5 seconds. That resets it. One-touch window operation. Lower the window. Raising the window